Today I'm making Puerto Rican Coquito, the real Barriqua Christmas in a glass. Let me show you how to make it. Add in about 2 cups of water. To make the spice tea, you're gonna need cinnamon, cloves, star anise. Let it simmer until it becomes rich and fragrant. Wow, smells so good. Now you're gonna leave it to cool, okay? In a blender, I'm adding coconut milk. This is the coconut milk I love to use. It's very creamy, really good. Evaporated milk. Crema de coco, cream of coconut. You know the Spanish there, you see that? Is it crema de coco or crema de coco? Sweetened condensed coconut milk. This is gonna make it more coconutty. You know, coconutty. Speaking of coconutty, thank you for that extra coconut flavor. A lot of coconut flavor. And you're gonna add to taste, okay? A holiday time. What I look at myself. We're also gonna add some Bacardi. We gotta leave room for the tea. Spice liquid. Pure vanilla extract. Ooh. Freshly grated nutmeg. Cinnamon powder. Add some salt to balance out the sweetness. Now put it chill for a few hours so it can thicken up, okay? Cinnamon. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. It's good. It needs a little more. I don't think I add enough. Alright. Now it's good. If you can't have eggnog, you can make this version. This is very good. I'm gonna be honest, this is better than the eggnog. Wepa! Wepa! Tick, 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 tick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and make yourself some coquito. I'm gonna leave the full recipe on my blog, okay? So you can go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.